It's that time of year again. Samsung's new Galaxy S26 series has landed, and JB's got your first close-up look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Galaxy S26, and Galaxy S26 Plus. Let's get into it. Starting with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is Samsung at full power. You get cutting-edge hardware working hand-in-hand with Samsung's smartest Galaxy AI yet for an ultra-smooth, ultra-premium experience built for performance. Privacy just leveled up. The first built-in privacy display on Galaxy keeps what's on your screen for your eyes only. You can also set it to automatically shield notifications, sensitive apps, emails, and more. The camera system has been upgraded again, and low-light video looks clearer, brighter, and sharper than ever with nightography video. And with Galaxy AI-powered processing, photos and videos pop with detail. And yes, the Ultra still packs that wild 100x space zoom. Samsung's new Galaxy AI features are here to make life easier. Reply faster, fill out forms instantly, share with one tap, and get a personalized wrap of your schedule with your assistant picking up appointments and reservations for you. And it's all powered by the 2nd Gen Snapdragon 8 Elite chip inside a sleek, refined design. Now jumping to the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus. These two bring Samsung's advanced Galaxy AI and flagship-grade performance to more people who want a high-end experience without going all the way to the Ultra. If you can imagine it, Generative Edit can create it. If you can film it, the upgraded cameras in Galaxy AI can enhance it. And if you need to find something, Bixby and Gemini can pull it up instantly. You still get the powerful Galaxy AI features seen in the Ultra, a 50-megapixel wide lens and a triple camera system, plus a sharp 12-megapixel front cam for everyday shooting. Both phones run on Samsung's latest custom Exynos 2600 processor, and come wrapped in the new signature Galaxy S26 design. If you want to check out the new Galaxy S26 series, head into your local JB Hi-Fi or jump online at jbhifi.co.nz.